go, go. She goes to school every morning. She goes to school every morning. See, see. She sees her best friend at the park every afternoon. She sees her best friend at the park every afternoon. Catch, catch. He catches the ball. He catches the ball. Bake, bake. She bakes fresh bread every Sunday morning. She bakes fresh bread every Sunday morning. Boil, boil. He boiled water for the tea. He boiled water for the tea. Capture, capture. The photographer captured the perfect moment. The photographer captured the perfect moment. Chop, chop. He chopped the vegetables finally. He chopped the vegetables finally. Convey, convey. He conveyed his thoughts during the meeting. He conveyed his thoughts during the meeting. Convince, convince. She convinced them to buy the house. She convinced them to buy the house. Create, create. The artist creates a stunning mural. The artist creates a stunning mural. Decline, decline. He declines the offer. He declines the offer. Calculate, calculate. He calculates the numbers in his head. He calculates the numbers in his head. Divide, divide. She divides the money between the children. She divides the money between the children. Gather, gather. They gather around the table for the dinner. They gather around the table for the dinner. Arrange, arrange. She arranges the letters. She arranges the letters. Fold, fold. He folds the color paper. He folds the color paper. Blame, blame. They blame her for the mistake. They blame her for the mistake. Generate, generate. Solar panels generate energy from sunlight. Solar panels generate energy from sunlight. Inspect, inspect. They inspect the machines for errors. They inspect the machines for errors. Assemble, assemble. He assembles the laptop quickly. He assembles the laptop quickly. Analyze, analyze. He analyzes the data carefully. He analyzes the data carefully. Encourage, encourage. They encourage the favorite team. They encourage the favorite team. Juggle, juggle. He juggles 3 balls at once. He juggles 3 balls at once. Expand, expand. Cells expand rapidly. Cells expand rapidly. Challenge, challenge. He challenges himself at chess. He challenges himself at chess. Negotiate, negotiate. She negotiates deals with the suppliers. She negotiates deals with the suppliers. Buy, buy. She buys vegetables. She buys vegetables. Sell, sell. He sells vegetables. He sells vegetables. Draw, draw. He draws a dog. He draws a dog. Answer, answer. Students answer the question. Students answer the question.